Alrighty. Alright, hey everybody. So Ayla and I have been tasked with unboxing our Essential Rewards order this month. I'm going to let Ayla take it away because she's been begging to do this. So, what did we get this month?
Well, first, we got our multi-greens.
Multi-greens, okay.
Me and Dayton, we give 2 thumbs down.
Why didn't you give it 2 thumbs down?
Because it doesn't taste good.
Yeah, but even though it doesn't taste good, multi-greens is still good for you. I don't think you like anything that's healthy. You don't like the taste of anything that's healthy. Okay,
but
what
I
else?
would make orange juice. Like real oranges.
I don't think you want to put that in orange juice. Okay, what's next?
Super
Super
C.
C, good for immune support, so you guys don't get sick.
Super C and Super B.
Super B. I've been waiting on this. This just recently came back in stock. Very good for energy. What else we got?
If you want to pronounce this one.
No, what did I tell you? How do you pronounce it? Sulfurzyme.
Sulfurzyme.
Sulfurzyme. Bone and ligament and muscle and joint support. Okay. What else? Got some free oils that came this month, right? All right. So what's the free oils?
The free oil
For the season.
for this season is trying to get them open.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Or we could do
Yeah,
this.
press it right here. There you go. Okay. Try this side. There you go.
Okay.
You got it? I think there's one more in here too.
There it is.
Okay. So what do you usually get? What's this one? Myrrh.
Murray.
Not Murray. Myrrh. Murray. All right. We got frankincense.
Second frankincense.
Not second. Sacred. Is that why you was calling this one first frankincense and the other one was second? No, sacred frankincense, not second. Good ball. Alright. What else?
And then we have date and we're getting close to your favorite item.
You got it?
You want to help?
Try this side. There you go.
This is Christmas Spirit.
Okay. So that's a blend. That was one of the free oils this month. With orange, cinnamon, and black spruce.
And then this is
Peppermint. Yeah.
My brother does not like that.
No, he does not
But
like
it's good
peppermint.
for allergies, so he has to have it. And then we have,
Respiratory support.
and then we have
Okay. So what's the last thing?
our kit.
What kind of kit is that?
Okay. Essential oils body kit.
Not a fighting kit. Feelings kit. Feelings kit. So this one is actually a few blends. You have forgiveness, harmony, inner child, present time, release, and valor 2. So this was
Valor the second.
yeah, finally valor the second. So this was out of stock for a while, and we finally were able to nab it when it came back in stock. So that was our order for this month. I can't wait to try out things. I'm really excited about Sulfurzyme and Super B because I've been waiting on those.
I'm not excited about these.
Yeah, but when you stay healthy during the winter, I'm sure you'll appreciate it. Okay? All right. I thank you guys for your time. Take care. Bye.